Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in our last video, we set up our development environment with GCC and VS Code. We also got the opportunity to write our first program. So in today's video, we will talk about what constitutes that Hello World program and how it works. In the world of programming, the Hello World program is like a rite of passage. Okay, it's a simple program that prints the message "Hello World" to the screen. While it may seem trivial, this program teaches us the basics of writing and running code. So let's get into the nitty-gritty details. So we first start by creating a file called hello.c. So this file has to end with .c file. The reason being that this is to tell that this file is going to contain stuff relating to the C programming language, just like we have .txt for a text file and .docx for a Microsoft Word document. We also have a .c for a C file. Okay, next we have what we call an include statement. This is the C way of importing contents from another file or a library. In this case, we are including the standard input-output library. This library is responsible for writing and reading operations. It gives us access to use the printf function. Okay, so then we define our main function. The main function is the entry point of our program. So when a C program gets executed, the first routine that gets called is the main function. Okay, so inside the main function, we use the printf function and pass in a string of characters or a sequence of characters. So the printf function takes two forms of arguments. First, it takes a formatted string, and the other that we are not using is a variable length of arguments. Okay, so we will talk about more on this later when we discuss about the concept of functions. But the idea is that what this printf function does is that it writes every single character in these double quotes to the standard output or to the screen. Okay. Then finally, we return 0 as the exit code, indicating that our program executed successfully. Okay. Now, to demonstrate it again, let's compile it. So to compile it, we type the command gcc, okay, and then the name of the file, hello.c. So what this is telling us is that gcc is the program, and then we are passing our file as an argument to this. Okay. So this is going to run some processes with regards to this file and compile it down and give us an executable file. So in Windows, it's going to be a.exe, and in Mac or Linux, it's going to be an a.out file. So when you do ls, you can see that we have an a.out file. So this green, it means that it's an executable file now. Then to run it, you can type again /a.out. And then we have what we expected, hello world. Okay, so this is it for this video. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.
For every single thing you've given me, I'm grateful.